Look, you got Trump over there waving flags. What's up, Trump? That's badass. I heard a motorcycle. It sounded like he was triggered. Triggered. Right, Ma? Triggered?
Traitors.
Traitors. Yeah. This is what winning looks like. Hell yeah, man. Check out my man in the middle. Yep. Yeah. Listen to them all. Hell yeah. Oh, the chop chop. Hey, baby. Everybody likes that one. Oh, that's awesome. He's got to just keep. He's got to keep riding by. Yeah. That's it. Now you tell me Biden's ahead in the polls, right? Yeah. Was the other one even bigger than this? This will get bigger and bigger. Yeah. Win! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! You're gonna win, baby! Yeah! Look at them all! Triggered! He gave us the finger, that guy. Oh yeah, she was! My God, I never heard so many horns. 4 more, baby. Gonna win. Good tune. Yeah. He's triggered. Yeah. In the car by himself. He's triggered in his car by himself with a mask on.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
He's triggered in that car by himself with a mask on.
4 more years.
4 more turns.
Whole family.
Yep. Donald Trump Jr.'s next, right? And then Ivanka. Go right down the load. Triggered! Triggered, bitch! I know. Triggered! Oh no, he gave us a thumbs up. Okay, he gave us a thumbs up. riding flag waves like this?
Oh, I see 400 people on one morning.
Yeah.
Not one morning.
They had a golf cart parade. Everybody had a mask on.
Yeah, you see that?
Look, none of us are buying into the COVID hoax. None of us are buying into the COVID hoax. Any triggered people?
Trump face is funny.
I know, the Trump face. You tell me how we're gonna lose. A little Trump flag. Check out my flag, man. Big or what? Big flag for a big man. No triggeries?
Voting is open on Sunday, too.
Oh, is it? Man, he had a mask on in the car.